Hi guys! Ito, another another apartment na naman na pinuntahan namin. Still we're looking. Kasi nagkanvas-canvas talaga ito si Mister. So ngayon, dito kami ngayon sa another senior apartment. And ninintay ko lang siya nandiyan sa kotse. Oh, here, I think this out.
I'm Danielle.
Hello.
Mars?
Yeah.
I'm Lily. Hello, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. What can I do for our events like bingo or meals and stuff that we provide for them? And then there we do our movie day. There's cable TV on both of these TVs.
Showroom kami ngayon guys. Tingin muna kami ngayon sa room.
This right here is the laundry room in the community center. It's free of charge. There's no coins needed to run the machines.
Oh, that's good.
So there's 6 washers, 6 dryers in this one, and there's another one in the back of the property closer to the units I'm showing you. Pool area. All of our tenants have a key that gets them through all the gates because it's a fully gated community.
Cute po. Nice.
There's a jacuzzi over here.
May jacuzzi. Tapos may shower.
And we have a soda
Jacuzzi.
machine and a water jug filling machine here. And then, of course, inside the community center, there's also the snack machine.
And jacuzzi.
So right now we have a project that's almost done. We're doing the putting new posts in the carport, so you'll see that they're at the end of it. There's parking on both sides of the property, carports on both sides. It's first come, first serve. As you can see, people can have like little outdoor areas. Barbecue if you feel like it.
No longer gonna do any barbecue like it.
Yeah.
Usually it's quiet.
Yes. And this right here is the laundry room at the back of the property. Which is just right around the corner from the first unit. I'll show you the downstairs one first. The screen door, security door. So you can have your door open and have that shut and let the air flow and still be securely in your unit.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice refrigerator.
A little coat closet here, but they have a very large walk-in closet right here. Like this right over here.
Right.
Okay, let's see those.
So it's the same floor plan, they'll just have different flooring.
Yeah.
So this looks like the carpet.
So this one has more updated
Yeah.
countertops.
Yeah.
These are all central, I think.
The air conditioning?
Yeah. Is the utility included?
You would pay electric. We cover water, sewer, gas, and trash. That's included in your rent amount. So I'm told by other one-bedroom renters that there's running between $45 and $55 in the hot summer days. So that's pretty good. Yeah.
It's medyo maingay guys. We're done na sa showroom. Yeah. First floor and second floor. So, nice. Nice place. For senior nga siya. It's okay pero. Is pet is allowed here? Pet.
Yes, they are. Up to two. There's a one-time pet fee for one animal of $200. If you have two animals, there's a one-time pet fee of $300. So there's no pet rent or deposits. It's just a fee.
We don't have it.
Good morning. There's on either side of both parking areas.
You said you can't park anywhere you want.
Yeah, first come, first serve, with the exception of this one is reserved. And it has a first come, green hat.
Malaking lugar siya. Parang rosemary ito. I'm back in the car. Bumalik lang si Mr. doon saglit sa opisina dahil may binigay siya. So, let's see kung ma-approve kami or hindi. Mamaya, tatanong ko kay Mr. So, how was it?
They
What?
don't accept.
You don't accept?
No. I'm joking. We got it. So we move tomorrow.
So finally guys, sa kakalibot namin around dito, sa canvas namin kung magkano yung mga renta. So finally na-approve si Mr. After nito kakain kami guys kasi wala pa talaga kaming breakfast, coffee lang. So mamaya pagkatapos doon ni Mr. kasi kumuha siya ng ano ba yun, money order, tapos binigay na niya, nandun siya sa loob. Then yeah, after nito kakain din kami ng aming breakfast and lunch. So yeah, that's it lang guys yung update namin sa aming paghahanap ng matitirhan. So finally na-approve kami. Dito nga kami sa senior apartment. So yun nga sa work ko, kasi malayo siya dito, mapipilitan akong titigil guys. Kasi hindi pwedeng Uber tayo ng Uber. And kasi mahal. And then hindi ko alam kung meron pang bus dito, around dito, ako papunta doon. Basta kailangan ko pa mag-aral. But for the meantime, titigil muna ako kasi marami pa rin gagawin dito sa apartment kasi yung apartment na to ay hindi siya fully furnished. So yeah, mamimili pa kami ng mga furniture. So
You gotta pay this when we come back.
that's including tax and 800.
Yeah.
So anyway, we're done. Kumain na kami dito sa Chinese restaurant na to. Oops, hala. Teka lang ha. Wait, honey ha.
Honey, watch out.
Ang init na sa loob ng kotse, guys. Painit na siya ng painit. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. And I hope I see you guys next time. Bye!
In a quarter mile, turn left. Stay in the third lane from left. light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto Spring Mountain Road.